right, man, real talk for a second. You've probably watched 5, 10, maybe 20 videos on how to attract girls. You've got the theory down. You know you're supposed to be confident. You know you're supposed to not be needy. And yet, here you are, still single, still watching videos, wondering what everyone else knows that you don't. The reason girls aren't attracted to you is because you're doing something wrong. And after watching this video, you'll probably say, I wish I had seen this sooner. Today, I'm giving you the entire step-by-step process, start to finish. From I don't even talk to girls to I have a girlfriend I'm actually proud of. No fluff, no fairy tales. Just the actual structure that works in the real world. Stay till the end, because step 5 is the one most guys skip, and it's the one that actually gets you the girl. Before you even think about approaching anyone, you need to fix what's actually broken. And for most guys, it's not their face, it's not their height, it's their foundation, their body, their style, their energy. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Attraction is partly visual, and the visual value is something you can control. Clean grooming, clothes that actually fit, a haircut that isn't 3 months overdue. I'm not talking about your looks. I'm talking about presenting yourself in a way that shows women you take care of yourself. This is where guys either build attraction or accidentally build a friendship. 2 things kill you here. The interview mode. Where are you from? What do you do? How many siblings do you have? Bro, that's not a conversation. That's a background check. Nobody feels attraction from a resume. Awkwardness and nervousness. The moment you start talking to a girl, you get so nervous that your heart starts racing, and it feels like you're talking to a famous celebrity. That's the moment attraction starts to fade. Talk to her normally, like she's just another person. Tease lightly, create playful assumptions, only share half the story about yourself or something you're doing. That creates curiosity and makes her want to know more about you. Here's where guys get it backwards constantly. They think going all in early wins her over. Non-stop texting, grand gestures, planning the future by date 2. That's not passion, bro. That's pressure. People naturally value what isn't easy to get. So become the kind of guy who's not always available. Even if she starts showing interest, don't be in a rush. Make her wait a little. Before we get to step number 4, make sure to subscribe to the channel, because my face reveal video is coming very soon. This is the step everyone skips, and it's the reason so many guys stay stuck in the friend zone forever. You get her number, you talk for a week, 2 weeks, and you never actually ask her out. You keep telling yourself, I need more confidence first, or it's too soon. Bro, but it's never too soon. If anything, waiting too long is what kills it. Within 5 to 15 messages, you should be asking to meet up. Keep it casual, confident, low pressure. Let's continue this over coffee sometime. That's it. If she avoids it once, ask again later. If she avoids it twice, that's your answer. Move on. The next 3 steps are the most important part of this entire process, so don't skip them. Here's the part almost nobody explains properly. Attraction runs on emotion, not logic. So talk about embarrassing stories, weird experiences, things that made you laugh at yourself. When you open up first, she opens up too. And don't forget the physical side either. Sit a little closer, hold eye contact for a few seconds at a time, a light touch during a laugh. Small things build tension, and tension is what separates attraction from nice friend. If you never build a little bit of that tension, you become the nice guy who never actually gets picked. Harsh, but true. This is the step nobody talks about enough, and it's the actual line between "we're just talking" and "he's my boyfriend." Physical attraction gets you noticed. Emotional investment gets you chosen. You build this by being genuinely curious about her life and actually remembering it. If she mentioned her sister's wedding is coming up, bring it up later. If she said her job's been draining her, ask how it's going. Last piece, and honestly, the most important one. The moment you start thinking, she's my only shot, you've already lost your frame. That's when you start chasing, that's when you start getting needy. The fix isn't complicated. Build an actual life outside of her. Gym, career, friends, a real social circle. When your life is full, you're not looking for someone to complete you. You're looking for someone to add to what's already good. And ironically, that's exactly the energy that attracts people in the first place. In this video, I covered a lot of techniques, briefly, like conversation skills, social skills, and more. But if you want to understand them in detail, now watch the videos on your screen.